Well, we made it to Vegas. I'm actually really tired, but I think we're gonna get ready and go down to the strip. So we decided to get ready and come down here to explore on the strip. It should be interesting.
Your turn, scat.
We're here at this place called -5. It's an ice bar. -5. Oh my gosh, it's already cold.
It's a little nipply.
Oh my gosh. It's ice! It's all ice. Wow. Seat covers. It's like molded in the ice. This jacket don't even have a zipper on it. It's fur. Oh. That's out of ice. Oh my gosh.
It's so cold.
Wow. That's awesome.
There you go.
Oh my god. I still can't believe that the whole cup is out of ice. Shot, shot, shot! Yum. That's good.
No, that's made out of too.
This is cold. I feel like my mouth is blue.
You want buttery nipple or porn star?
What's that? Porn star?
Raspberry vodka.
I'll do that one.
You want that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
That was good.
The crew Molly. Now we talking about the
Wow, that's pretty. Oh, viewable. It's the Boulder Basin.
Arrive at Hoover Dam.
That's far down. Wow. That's scary. I'm like even scared to get to the edge. Wow. Could you imagine, like, whoever cleans down there has a field day of all the shit that people drop. This is the other side of the dam that's upstream. This thing is massive. Look at the water line of how high it gets. And you can see the water line there. What is that? That's rock though.
But it's wet.
I know. It's leaking. Just a little leak.
So you guys just wait right here. Okay. Hey, Lee.
Okay. Big one, big one? I feel like I've ever been in like a really big. No. They're cold. But he can't.
All right, so generally the first question that people have is when they see this map is where are we on it? So that's where we're going to begin, and we're right here. We're inside what's called a diversion tunnel. If you look at the map, you can pretty clearly see we have 3 other tunnels just like it. They're all called diversion tunnels because they're built to divert the river. See, the Colorado River ran right through the area where the dam sits today, so they're going to have to move it in order to build it. So the first 2 years, all they're doing is drilling and blasting these 4 tunnels. When they're done with them, they will have to force the river to actually use them, and that's going to be done by adding smaller dams. This is the upstream dam, which blocks the river, forcing it up and into these tunnels, and then they exit here. Here is the lower dam, which is keeping that water that's coming out from backfilling into this area in the middle. So now that means they're ready to begin building the dam itself. And that's going to start on the 6th of June, 1933, with the first bucket of concrete. This is a 16-ton bucket. From there, every 78 seconds, an additional 16-ton bucket is going to be delivered. That's going to go on like that 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This process will not stop for almost 2 years. So finally, they deliver the last bucket of concrete, 29th of May, 1935, completing the dam. Now that's going to free them up to work on the final phase of construction, which is simply going to be filling the lake. But they're going to have to backtrack a little bit to do that, because now they have to block these same tunnels off. They do that with bulkhead steel gates at the entrances and concrete plugs inside the tunnels. So that upstream portion has been fully sealed off. Downstream, well, you can probably tell just from looking at the diagram that they are going to be using those. Well, they're going to be incorporating them into infrastructures. So let's start with the two outside tunnels. These tunnels were used to create what's called spillways. A spillway is simply an emergency runoff system for the lake. Lake gets too full, water spills over the entrances here and here, goes down those outside tunnels.
Generators are all 70 feet tall, but we can only see the top 30 feet of each one. Also on the top, you might notice that white light. If that light is on, it means that generator is currently in operation. Steel shaft in the middle. That shaft actually goes down about 65 feet, about 19 meters, where it's going to connect to the turbine. And as that turbine is spun by that water, it maintains a speed on the shafts that are running of 180 revolutions per minute. And then that drives the rotor, that creates that electricity. And that's happening right here in front of us. It happens right inside of those red casings there on the floor. And each one of these generators can generate enough power for 65,000 homes. It's 130 megawatts. If all 17 of our generators are operating max capacity, well, we can do over 2,000 megawatts, and that's enough power for just over 1 million homes. So we can do a significant amount of power here at the dam.
I wonder if that house is still in water. It's on the video when they were building.
That's where we just were, all the way down there.
Welcome to the observation deck overlooking the world-famous Hoover Dam. From here, you get a spectacular panoramic view
So
of
massive.
Lake Mead,
It's just
the
crazy
dam, the
how
Colorado River,
huge it is. I just can't believe it. It's so awesome to see it in person.
As you look over the railing, you will see the tallest concrete dam in the Western Hemisphere. Hoover Dam stands 726 feet tall and stretches 1,244 feet across the top, but only 78 feet across the base. It looks somewhat like an upside-down pyramid. This massive arch gravity structure contains 3,250,000 cubic yards of concrete.
Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you're enjoying my series of my California to Las Vegas trip so far. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. And stay tuned for the next chapter, which is SEMA.